This is the old wheel of my father. Did you see?
Mm-hmm.
My father used to work always in his life on such a wheel without electricity.
So what are you doing here?
I will show you how to make such a little spot for the honey.
Okay.
Using local clay.
And you said that this clay is unique in terms of it's especially well suited to this kind of ceramics?
This
And-
clay is so special. Maybe that exists somewhere else, but my father, my grandfather used to go and dig for this clay for hundreds and hundreds of years before. You know, so I used to buy clay like the other potters. I told you I use it for the balloons, for the modern pottery that I do, but mostly I like and I prefer to use that clay that is here, and potters, my relatives use it, and my colleagues from the village from so long ago. I have to make now the rim for the water to protect the honey from the ants. Remember?
Yeah.
This is the small rim. How do you call this? Rim?
Yeah. So as he said before, that little lip filled with water becomes a moat,
Moat.
which makes it impossible for ants to access the honey inside.
Exactly.
So what are you using this tool for now?
I have to press it from here to make it more wide. So because my finger cannot go so deep,
Nice.
I will use a stick instead of my finger.
Mm-hmm.
Look. The shape change.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Mm-hmm.
It looks more like a pithos.
Round. Beautiful.
Okay.
Great. A honey pot.
Honey pot.
Thank you so much.
To put 2 handles later and the lid.
Great.
Thank you so much.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.